I didn't establish myself as a Jew right away. But I do recall one day waking up and deciding that I must be Jewish, because it was an absolutely unshakable hunch. And it, took many, many years to understand what it was. Actually, it will probably take many more years to understand what it was, because I still don't understand it. I don't understand how you can have a hunch that you're Jewish. The good news is that my hunch turned out to be, real, supported by facts. Because if it hadn't, I guess you'd say I was crazy. But yeah, it's very strange. I must have been about 15 or 16 when I suddenly thought, I'm Jewish. And it was a hunch. There was nothing else. There was nothing else that I could think of that made any sense, that was logical, that was rational enough, that was unquestionable, that was factual, that would indicate that me or anybody in the family was Jewish.